ಶ್ರೀ ಗುರುಭ್ಯೋ ನಮಃ. ಅಂಬುಜ ನಯನಗಳ ಬಿಂಬಾಧರದ ಶಶಿಬಿಂಬದಂತೆಸವ ಮುಗುತಿಮಣಿಯ ಶಶಿಬಿಂಬದಂತೆಸವ ಮುಗುತಿಮಣಿಯ ಮಹಾಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಉಂಬುದ ಕೀಯಲಿ ವಧುವರರಿಗೆ. In this beautiful Padya, some of the ornaments that Lakshmi Devi wears on her face is described. In the previous Padya, we heard about her earring. Now it is her eyes, nose and her lips. Of course, starting from the Polava Kanchiyadama, it was her waistline and the ornament which adorns the waistline, and from there we heard about the garland in which she is adorned with, her bangles, her earrings, and now it is her eyes, nose and lips. Ambuja Nayanagala. Her eyes are like the lotus. She is having a lotus eyes. And the power of her eyes are already described, where we saw about the Apanga Drishti. That Drishti, or the just a sight of the Lakshmi Devi with which she bestows all the siddhi to each of her bhaktas. So such powerful is her eyes, which looks like lotus, the petal of a lotus. Now Bimba Dharada, Lakshmi Devi's lips are looking like a vegetable. This vegetable, what we call tondekaya, or we call dondekaya in Telugu actually. It's goosebumps what we call in English. And this lips of Lakshmi Devi, which is perfectly in the shape of this beautiful vegetable, is what here Vadaraja Tirtha has described. Shashibimba Dantesava Muguti Maniyam. The nose ring. Now there is a description of the eye, there is a description of the lips. Now what is in the center? It is the nose. And Lakshmi Devi's nose, which is in its correct position, has been described with the ornament which she is adorned with in her nose. This ornament is a nose ring, which is a very auspicious ornament to be worn by all ladies. Now Lakshmi Devi's nose ring looks like the reflection of the Shashi, of the Chandra, of the moon itself. So she is wearing a wonderful nose ring which looks like the reflection of the moon. And this nose ring touches the lips, which is also one of the added embellishment to her face. Of course, the lotus face of the Lakshmi Devi is embellished with this. Each are complementing each other. Everything is complementing one another here. When it is clearly said that the nose ring looks like the reflection of the moon, of course she is wearing a pearl nose ring. So she is wearing a pearl earring, what we saw in the previous Padya. Here she is wearing a pearl nose ring. She is matching her outfits, OOTD, what we call. Today we think it's a fashion. That fashion has been set, trend has been set by her for time immemorial, we could say. We are following her trend in matching the particular outfit of today. So Lakshmi Devi, who is wearing this most auspicious ornament, which is a nose ring. There is a great misconception that only married women should wear a nose ring, which is of course not right, because even girls before marriage are allowed to and should wear a nose ring. There is a lot of auspiciousness attached to it, which is again mentioned in some of the Puranas like Skanda Purana, etc. And Lakshmi Devi, who is adorned with this ornament, Umbudakiyali Vadhuvararige. Let us provide our bride and the groom with the basic necessity of life. The eternal reason of a marriage is to practice dharma, is to support each other in practicing dharma. Both the bride and the groom should be supportive to each other in practicing dharma. But practicing dharma and this sadhana, all these are possible only when they have a basic necessity like food and shelter. If they are just thinking about and getting frustrated about tomorrow's morning of what they will get to eat and what they will get to wear and what they will get where they will be, then definitely they will not have a peace of focal mind towards sadhana and dharma. So a basic necessity of food and shelter is very important. So here that food is what Shri Vadaraja Tirtha is asking Lakshmi Devi to provide in plenty to the bride and the groom. Vadaraja Tirtha, who has a lot of affection towards his bhaktas, wants the bride and the groom to be free from Alakshmi, to be free from Daridra, which is poverty. That is why in this Padya, Vadaraja Tirtha wants Lakshmi Devi to bless these couple in plenty with food and basic necessities of life. Shri Krishna Arpanamastu.